Today I'm reviewing this indoor fire pit. It's for a tabletop. It can be used indoor or outdoor. Comes with this cork little coaster right here. Has this really nice hexagonal shape with good detail. Has the logo in the front right here. Really like it. It has the little fuel, has a inner cup, then a little fuel cup, which has a little starter in there to start it. And it has a max line. It's pretty simple. This is a great way to just have like a low-key experience, just a little ambiance, or making s'mores, roasting marshmallows. You just simply pour a little bit of isopropyl alcohol in the filler cup right here. You just get a lighter, and you light it up. And it just has this nice little flame. Makes this cool flame design right in there. And then later today, I'm going to go, after I test it out, get my family. We're going to roast some marshmallows and see how well it works. Here's how you put it out. Simple as that. Yeah. Look, we're going to light some s'mores. Watch, we take this off. We light this right here. Look at the little flame. This, you know how to make a s'more? Once you get a skewer.
Marshmallow.
Yeah. Do you want to hold it over the flame? No. Right here. Okay, we're cooking marshmallows.
Oh, too much. Too much.
That's how Daddy likes them.
A little further away from the flame.
I like them like this. Everyone makes them differently. Then we get this. Ooh. It's okay. That's how Daddy makes them. And then what do you put? Like 2 pieces of chocolate?
What sound you make?
Yeah, we do that. And then you spread the marshmallow. And you get another one right here.
And smush it?
Yeah, it makes a little sandwich.